My passion for cars and driving is incredible. You don't drive the car drives you. This passion tremendously grew about 2 years ago when Daisy came into the picture. Daisy is a 2003 Mazda Prodigy 5 and boy has she come a long way. It all started with the complete FSZE swap, which is a J-Spec motor. Getting it shipped and dropping it in was one of the best feelings ever. After that, things picked up really quick. There's been tons of upgrades and adjustments done to my car to get it driving the way it does today. Every upgrade from coilovers, front and rear strut bars, sway bars, clutch, and full exhaust are just small amount of pieces to a never-ending puzzle. I love working on Daisy and doing the work on my own provides me with such joy and pleasure. After every upgrade, Daisy gets driven to its full potential, and watching the RPMs fly higher and higher fill my body and veins with adrenaline no one will ever be able to feel. When I drive, I become one with the car. Feeling its potential and traction completely changes things. I have realized that I no longer drive my car consciously. I drive it by a kind of instinct, where only I am in a different dimension. Driving to me is a gift that not everyone has the privilege to have. Every Friday night, I go out on a drive, not really knowing where I'm headed, just knowing I'm behind the wheel makes me feel at ease. Through Wynwood, downtown, the tunnel, or simply Ocean Drive, it doesn't matter, because taking a trip with Daisy is always another journey I never regret taking. Nighttime drives are one of a kind. You never see past your headlights, but you know you can make the whole trip that way. I don't know driving in another way which isn't risky. Each one has to improve himself. Each driver has a limit. My limit skyrockets everyone else's.